guys, I'm Chris from Charged.Services. Just going to show you one of our gates that we've done today. Just finishing up here. We've been to this site once before already to do like a first fix and get things in place, but we basically had to finish off, do a bit of programming today and get everything sorted. So it's not the most attractive of gates. This is a bit of a farm gate and it's a bit of a temporary measure. It will be getting clad and refinished afterwards. But so what we've installed here is a BFT Ultima gate. This basically will open the gate on remote fob. It will also work via the intercom panel that we have over here. There's currently a GSM panel. This is going to be upgraded with a Hikvision panel with CCTV added to this area as well. The gate itself currently had no force testing. What we found on a lot of gates is every gate that we seem to be attending at the moment has no safety edges at all, no force limitations, and in this one was in a really bad way. So here we've had to actually dig up the track that is in the ground. This one had two different tracks in it, causing it to be extremely unlevel, which is what caused the old gate to fail. So the old gate motor burnt out after only about 8 or 9 months, and the reason being is because the gate was so badly aligned, it was actually fighting everything every time it opened. So what we've done for this, as we've got an issue with no loops in the ground in order to let people in and out, we've set the gate onto a permanently open stage. So when you open the gate, it will stay permanently open. When someone enters through the gate, it triggers the photo cells. They detect that the vehicle or the person has crossed, and therefore the gate then starts closing. So what you'll notice on this gate is obviously the ability to then come in contact with it. Most of the time, pedestrians will never use this gate because they will just walk straight through without the need to have it open. But one of the things we've had to do is we've had to install some safety to protect it. Obviously, if the gate was to close on someone, to give it protection, you see it slows right down and reopens on impact. So if you go the other way, what we haven't put in the addition, this part here is a serious risk to health because you could get wedged between the pole and the gate, and what you can see is that in the slightest touch, this safety edge now protects any crushing on your gate. So this is how we bring the gate up to the current safety standards, and obviously fixed an old gate that was potentially unsafe and not working for the customer. So over that one more time. If you're interested in having your gates looked at, if you've got a gate that potentially doesn't work and it doesn't do what you want it to do, then please get in touch at Charged Services.